I started out as a ramp agent, and April this year I progressed up to a supervisor. On average, we handle approximately 5-6 aircraft a day. We remove the bags from the inbound flight, and then we load the bags for the outbound flight, all while maintaining a high level of safety.
I believe at the airport there's no such thing as average day, but every day I just have to come in, get a flight ready, make sure everything is ready for the briefing, and then we open check-in.
Working in the airport is really fun. It's a fast-paced working environment. You will get to interact with a lot of different passengers from different ethnicity.
At Menzies, we look for someone who is positive, who's got the energy to do the job, to also learn, and then be pushed to the next level.
To be at the airports, particularly Heathrow, you have to be somebody who is level-headed, pay attention to details, and then somebody who is trusted.
My role is very male-orientated. Men can be very supportive as well. I hope my position in here and my presence in here will gonna encourage more ladies to come to the ramp. My best friends today are people that I've met here. It just makes me so grateful that I've even decided to apply for Menzies Aviation in the first place.
I like how Menzies have brought me out of my shell, and they've allowed me to enhance my managerial skills. The exposure it's given me to operational procedures at the airport is invaluable to me, and Menzies have given me an excellent platform in order to enhance my career further.